everybody. We are back, and this time we are back with the next Robb Vices box. For those who don't know, Robb Vices was born out of the Robb Report magazine. Robb Vices are handcrafted luxury items delivered directly to your door. These items can be fine wines, foods, toys, tools, spirits, accessories, and tech items, along with a book published to tell their story. A month-to-month membership will cost you $129.95 a box. The 3 month trial will cost you $119.95 a box, totaling $359.85. Sorry, I'm a little messed up in the head when it comes to numbers. The 6 month trial is $109.95 per box, totaling $659.70. And a 1 year trial is $99.95 per box, totaling $1,199.40. I'll write all that below, so you guys can get the numbers. So let's crack this bad boy open.
Okay, Robb Vice. Now, was Robb Vice the one that we got the drum?
We got the tequila. The drum was Brio.
All right, y'all. So we got the tequila, and remember the little
ice cube
will liquor cube in the last one. So that's what this is. Remember, I was trying to tell y'all what it tastes like, and I ain't no drinker, so I ain't really know. So yeah, Robb Vice. Robb Vice. All right. Vices. Robb Vices. Okay.
Here's the magazine.
More alcohol.
Let's just hold this up for the people at home.
So it is packaged very nicely. It had this cover over it.
Keep it. Yeah. So it does travel well.
Yeah. Okay.
So know that it is gift ready. So if I put this, I can put some little gift wrapping on this, give it to somebody, and go happy birthday. I am that person.
I love rum. So last time we had tequila. This is rum, guys. Which I could do rum. This is 10-1 Caribbean white rum.
And as you see, we fixed our little lighting problem. Yeah. That was really bad.
Okay. Would you mind? You got your phone in, babe? I want to see how much this is valued.
We're recording on my phone.
Oh, we are recording on her phone, y'all. And
you want to go get your phone?
I'll be right back, because I want to see how much that's worth. I mean,
because I don't believe in their book they really have prices. They tell you the story, and they have a directory of products and where you can go to actually get more information about those products. But I don't see actual prices when it comes to this. And that's kind of a bad thing. You kind of look for prices when you go to see these websites. Now, they do have recipes in here. So when they give you a product, they don't just give you something. They actually give you recipes to kind of go with it. So you can kind of make your own cocktail at home, which is really nice. Especially if it's a drink you don't typically drink. You may not know how to mix it up. And you don't want to drink straight liquor.
So I think you could get this for not too much. Now, the other one was pretty expensive. This one I'm seeing for between $30 to $40.
Okay.
Even that as low as to $25 in one place, but everywhere else is on an average of $30. So that's that. Why she's busting that bad boy open. I want to know what this in the middle is.
I think we all want to know. Sorry, we're shaking. We're actually unboxing on the table with the phone. And I'm just noticing that we're shaking.
This is the Cannonball Max True Wireless Speaker. Oh, and it floats on water surfaces. So you could have this speaker in the pool or the bathtub. That is
so going in the bathtub. Like, I'm not even lying to you right now. That's going in the tub.
This Cannonball Max has a 5-inch diameter with up to 98 feet Bluetooth range. 98 feet. That's pretty far. Bluetooth range. The speaker has a pad-integrated stabilization technology for use in water and on land. Okay. Floating and submersible up to 3 feet. So don't be in the deep end, baby. Do not be in the deep end. pair with smartphones, tablets, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices for streaming music or other audio, built-in mic, and answering phone calls. Okay? So don't be playing your music and then forget, answer your call, and then be a bill collector, and you somewhere in Miami in the pool, and everybody here. Yes, we call it because you owe Comcast. Like, that'd be so embarrassing. So remember that. Don't answer the phone when you. But this is nice because when I go out of town, ain't nothing like having a little music playing in the pool. You bring everybody over to your side. Now we all partying. We partying together now. We gotta be in the 3 feet range. We can't go no deeper than 3 feet, but it is what it is.
Sorry, that sound you heard was a TV. Unfortunately, my remote, if you shake it hard enough, the TV will actually go back to where it was. So I just had to turn it off.
And it is equipped with anti-rolling engineering structure, which enables you to use them indoors as a table or desktop speaker as well. So
how much does this work? Can you look that up on your phone?
Sure. Cannonball Max. So what I do with my phone?
Did you drop it on the floor?
No, it's right.
Okay. I don't want to open this while you going through that.
I'm going to open it.
So I know a lot of people who typically go to public pools. You can't really go to a pool right now because it still might be closed because of COVID. Unfortunately, we're all going through that. My pool in our building just closed. It was open for a while, but then they said they couldn't find enough.
Oh, wow. So this where you got your deal at. This speaker is worth $150.
Seriously?
Uh-huh.
So $150 speaker. And the speaker is waterproof up to 3 feet. Angle it.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's $149.99.
Sorry, taking me a minute. Now it does come with a power cord, so you can charge it, and it feels like a real ball, and it's not too heavy. I would say it's about a pound and a half.
It's the way it need to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like this.
I like that. Now I'm not finna put it in my bathtub only because I could just sit that on the side. Sit my phone on the side. But for me, I would use that for the pool.
I can grab this and do crunches while I was playing music in the tub.
That's so unnecessary. Like all of that, working out in the tub, speaker in the tub, it's unnecessary times.
And this part feels rubbery. This part feels smooth. But I like this a lot.
I love that. So that's really where
your value comes in.
Your value. That's what I'm looking for.
Because if you pay the month to month, it's $129 per box. If you pay for the year, it's $99 per month. This right
that
here,
alone,
$150. And something I never even heard of. So that's pretty dope.
Yeah, me either. And then last thing in the box is 2 cans of Frenchie Electrolytes Premium Hydration. Now is this? You like these? Don't you crack one open? Or is it big? Whether you're seizing the day or celebrating the end of it, hydration is key. Frenchie is hydration. Each can contains optimal amounts of electrolytes to ensure rapid absorption, replenishing your body in gulps, not sips. Ready for round 2? Yeah, you are. Frenchie is an all-natural, no artificial flavor, no artificial coloring, no preservative, sweetened with stevia.
Okay.
2 grams of sugar, 15 calories. What is it though?
I think it's carbonated water. So inside here is carbonated water, citrus acid, dextrose, sodium citrite, natural flavors, monopotassium, phosphate, stevia extract.
You want to taste it?
Yeah, she doesn't like carbonated beverages. She said it just tastes like really weak beer.
Yeah, it's just the worst thing ever to be. But let's see what that tastes like.
This actually tastes pretty good. You might like this. It doesn't taste like water. Just give it a swig. I'll try the rum too.
Okay. No, I'm good.
Okay.
It's the best one I've ever had.
And so she said, I tried to get her on Perrier and that one that starts with an S. She ain't down for none of it.
No. My friend Michelle
Even that
too. Michelle tried to get me to drink them little flavor stuff. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Or flavor waters with the fit. No, ma'am.
It's just not her.
It's not my thing. It's not my thing. But that's one of the best ones.
Because it tastes more like the citrus flavor.
She would like that. Okay.
Okay, wait. I'm going to do this with you.
You ain't got to rush me because I hate alcohol. I hate the taste of alcohol, y'all. I hate it.
All right, now the last tequila was pretty smooth. I actually tried it off camera because I didn't want to choke on camera, and it was actually pretty smooth. I gave it to my parents, and they loved it. It's still on their bar because they don't want to drink it unless it's a special occasion. But cheers, big ears.
What?
It's something my coworker said. Doing
your coworker's dead wrong.
They're from Hawaii, and they say that every time you take a shot, you say cheers, big ears. So.
Okay. Good rum.
Yeah, I'm not a drinker.
It's still burning. It's right here, stuck burning. Hey, my friends know me. I did a little. I don't even do the whole shot.
I did the whole thing.
How did you? Why would you? Why would she do that? No, she take a shot a year, maybe.
On my birthday.
That's it.
And that's because my mom is usually standing there going, you gotta do one shot, it's your birthday.
Right? Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, that's better. That's better to wash it down with.
Yeah, my friends be having to drink. Otherwise, I'm babysitting. But it's good rum.
Check how much the Frenchie stuff is.
Frenchie.
Can't your phone scan the barcode and then pull up prices?
What?
Wait, if you go to the camera,
the hell?
You can scan a barcode. At least I think you can scan it. Or maybe that's a QR code.
And then do what?
No, that's a QR code. My bad.
I was about to say I don't like that. Y'all too much in my business.
So far, right. This was $150. This was the gram was how much?
About 30.
30. So we're at $180 right now.
And the Frenchie. Oh, well, that's a 24 pack.
Well, let's just say a 24 pack of Frenchies. How much?
Let me. Alright, so first of all, it's rare. That's one thing. I only see it on like 2 random websites, and for a 24 pack, it's $34. So wow,
so that's more than $1 per can.
Yeah.
So we probably got $3 worth of this drink. So this box is a value of $183.
And you paid.
Well, I got the 3-month subscription that makes me, I believe, 3-month subscription, that means I pay $119 per box.
Okay.
So $70+ dollars. So, with the 2 cans of Frenchie, which is right here, cute little French bulldog.
Aww.
We have our bottle of 10 to 1.
10 to 1 white rum, Caribbean white rum.
Which I guess it means that who the hours you're supposed to be drinking it.
Right, and this is 45% alcohol, 90 proof, 750 milliliters.
If you ever want to know the percent of alcohol, just divide the proof by 2. Oh. And then we have our nice waterproof speaker ball, which is Bluetooth enabled. So
it's a cool box. It's a cool little vacation box.
Yeah.
Like, you in a pool, you got your rum, you got your speaker, you got these to wash the rum down.
Actually, you know what that goes great with?
What?
Your new Rihanna Cabo.
Ah, yes! If anybody's son want to take me to Cabo, I'm ready.
Stop.
I have the perfect, go look at our last video. I got the perfect outfit, and now I got the perfect little pool situation. So, all I need you to do is buy my flight, my room, and food, and everything else I'm going to eat.
Okay, I'm going to show her the sugardaddy.com website so we can straighten this out. But or I'll just take her to Cabo myself.
I like that. We could be somebody's son down there.
Yeah, I don't meet people in foreign places.
Oh, that's the best place.
That's how you end up missing a kidney.
That's the best place to be. You can leave right down there. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my goodness. So, did Robb Vices get it right this month?
Yeah, I mean, again, is it something I would just buy? No, because I don't drink. Just on the occasion. But if you drink, absolutely, it's well worth it.
And now, know that all their boxes don't come with alcohol. We just kind of left out for these last 2 boxes. And understand they can't deliver to every single state. So go to the website and figure out what states they actually deliver to. Because there are certain laws that they can't deliver liquor. But for me, I actually love this box. The speaker alone made it worth it to me. Because it's something I never knew existed. I knew there was waterproof speakers and things like that. But I didn't realize it was one like in the shape of a ball that can be.
And just the monetary value, like you said, it's just more than a box.
I actually like this box. And like I said, I'm not a drinker. So it kind of, it burned. But
it's going to burn. Even when you do drink. It still burn them too. They just like it.
But like I said, the book comes with recipes, so if you wanted to actually try it with other things, you can. Yeah. Please do. But all in all, the rum wasn't bad. I'm not a drinker, but it wasn't bad. And the Frenchie bull stuff is actually really good. It tastes like carbonated lemonade, to give you an idea.
It got a little blueberry taste too.
Yeah, so that's actually good. And I never even heard of Frenchie. I'm probably going to end up buying a box after this.
Yes, she is.
I have problems. But let us know what you guys think. Was Robb Vices worth it this month? Like, comment, subscribe, and in life there's black and white, but with us, you always get the shade of gray.
I never said it before. I said it this time.
Yes, you did, y'all. Yes, you did. Bye.